Hey everyone, if HandBrake is not detecting your GPU, like hardware encoding is missing, or your graphics card doesn't show up, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake GPU detection issues quickly. First, check if your GPU supports hardware encoding. Older graphics cards may not support features like NVENC or QuickSync, so they won't appear in HandBrake. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons GPU options don't show up properly. Make sure hardware encoding is enabled inside HandBrake. Go to the Video tab and check if options like NVENC or QuickSync are available. Try switching encoder modes. Changing between H.264 and H.265 can sometimes trigger GPU options to appear. Make sure you're using the latest version of HandBrake. Older versions may not support newer GPUs or updated driver features. Set your system to use the high-performance GPU in Windows settings. This ensures HandBrake uses your dedicated graphics card instead of integrated graphics. And finally, reinstall HandBrake and GPU drivers if nothing works. Corrupted drivers or broken installation files can prevent GPU detection completely. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake not detecting GPU. Follow each step carefully, and your hardware encoding should show up and work properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone!